In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Figma file. If you've been working on designs in Figma and now need to save them locally, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily download your Figma files to your computer. First, we need to start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Figma. You could type Figma into the search bar and hit enter. Once you've done that, the official Figma website should appear in your search results. Go ahead and click on the link to enter the Figma homepage. Next, you'll need to log in to your Figma account. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you're using Figma for the first time, you'll need to sign up, but since we're focusing on downloading files today, we're assuming you already have an account set up. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where all your projects and designs are listed. Now, go ahead and open the specific design file you wish to download. You can do this by navigating through your projects and clicking on the design you want. Once opened, you should see your design details in the workspace area. Look at the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Figma logo, which is a distinctive F icon. Clicking on this logo will open the main menu on the left side of your screen. The main menu houses a variety of options for file management and other settings. With the main menu open, hover your mouse over the File menu option. You'll see a drop-down appear with several different options. Among these, locate and select Save Local Copy. This option is specifically used to download your design as a .fig file, which is the format used by Figma to store design files. After selecting Save Local Copy, you will be prompted to choose a save location on your computer. This part is crucial, especially if you need to organize your design files in a specific folder for easy access later. Choose your desired folder, and once that's done, click Save. Your design will begin downloading as a .fig file to your specified location. This file can be opened and edited in Figma later, or shared with others who might need to work with it as well. Your download is complete, and you've successfully saved your design locally. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your Figma design files easier. Remember, keeping a local copy of your work is always a good idea in case you need access without an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.